This is a parcel fabric tutorial, a quick 2-minute demo of a parcel fabric feature. Let me show you a new feature at 3.1, Strata Parcels. This will represent floors above and even below the ground. First, we must add a field to any parcel type that we want to make floor aware. This field must be named FloorOrder with no spaces and must be of type long. It must be added to both the line and polygon feature class of the desired parcel type. Here we have some CAD lines representing some condominium footprints. Let's select all the lines and copy them into the active record. Since these will represent the parcels of the first floor, I will select all the lines and polygon seeds and edit the floor order value to be 1. Alright, let's build these parcels. Now we will use the newly improved Duplicate Parcels tool. In 3.1, we've added the ability to repeat the number of duplications and the ability to increment a numerical field. If parcels are floor aware, floor order will be set by default, and based on the features, it'll try to determine the best starting value. Since these are all parcels on the first floor, we will start the duplication with floor 2 and repeat it 5 times. Since the parcels are floor aware, the increment of the floor order field will happen to both polygons and lines. While it's a little hard to see in 2D, let's switch to a 3D scene. They still look flat in 3D, so let's go to the parcel polygon layer and add an expression to determine the feature's elevation. Here I'm just multiplying the floor value by the hard-coded value of 14, but I could easily have used the value of any field within the data that might have elevation values. Next, let's extrude each of these features. Once again, I'm just using the explicit value of 14, but of course I could easily have used any other field that might contain height information. Finally, let's enable the range slider on the floor order field. I have my range extent set to -1 to 13 being the lowest and highest floors within my data. We can now use the slider to show only the parcels based on the floor that they are located. This works in 3D and in 2D to make editing data on specific floors more efficient. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please check on the links below in the description for more help on all the topics discussed in this video. Thank you.